Welcome to Getembe Electricals. Today we are going to repair a borehole control panel that ceased to work, and I had already shown you on the table how it's connected, so I will not show you the whole connection. We just go and repair and make sure it's working.
Hiyo unasema ni size gapi Madegwa?
So this is the tank that water goes into. It's a 1963 tank. So this pipe here, we have to connect it before we open the water.
Hiyo nini imekataa kufungua ile?
It supplies, or rather it's for sprinkling water in a coffee farm. We came to repair it. And now that we have repaired it, I couldn't take you all along the way we were doing it because it took a lot of time. I'm just going to show you the control panel because I had already taught in my previous videos how this works. So it's still on, so let's switch it off. That's off, and then we switch it on again, and then we see we want to test if the contactor will be pulling in and releasing. So we have a phase failure here, we have circuit breakers. I had already taught all of this, so let's see. It's now on. We want to see if it will release when the waters go low, the water levels go low. So let's see. You see it has released. Then we'll switch it on again. It's okay now. So we are going to see. So we changed the pipes since the others were very old, the leakage and such. So that's the coffee farm there, around 400 hectares. So we have 3 boreholes here. We started by reviving this one. So let's see how the water here is running. Now our borehole is okay. Now our borehole is okay. You see water being pumped here. Thank you for watching Getembe Electricals. Like and subscribe for the next video. Don't skip ads.